So as we expand our shock line, it can get kind of overwhelming and confusing of which can be the best shock for you. So this is a short and sweet video of a couple quick run-throughs of all of our shocks. Starting off first, we have our hydraulic 7000 series shock. This is a traditional white body shock. It's very economically priced and is a great OEM replacement. Next, we have our Nitro 8000 series shock. This is a gas charged shock. It offers a little bit better than the Hydro depending on your needs, especially if you're towing heavy loads or you have a lot of weight in your vehicle. But this is also still the traditional white body and very economically priced. Next, we have our most popular shock, which is our Black Max shock. This is a great riding, soft feeling, controlled shock with foam cell technology. And that foam cell technology also allows you to mount this shock body up or body down, as long as your factory mounting points allow that. Now we have our M95 Performance Series Monotube. This is a big upgrade from the Nitro 8000 shock. This is a great shock that gives you a stiffer but controlled ride. It's really great for heavy loads, for towing, for a bunch of gear in your vehicle. I like to say, it gives you a stiffer but controlled ride, and it does not have a shock boot because of the inner wiper seal system that's included in it. Now we're getting into our ATX family of products, but we'll start off with the Monotube and the remote reservoir shock. These shocks are wonderful. They're aluminum bodied, made out of T60, 61, T6 aluminum. They dissipate heat 30% faster than steel bodied competitors. They give a very controlled ride. They don't rust, and you can mount these body up or body down depending on your factory mounting locations. The only difference between these two is we have the reservoir on this one, which gives you more fluid, more cooling capacity, and this one's just a monotube, so this one's easier to package in a slim profile. Another good thing about the ATX M2.0 and reservoir shock is that with the aluminum body, it helps reduce fade. So you get a shock that runs cooler for longer. And last but certainly not least, we have our new ATX Coilover. We offer these coilovers from 8 inches of stroke all the way up to 14 inches of stroke in 2-inch and 2.5-inch OD bodies. All of our coilovers come with a 7/8 shock shaft. They are aluminum, made out of the same material. They are hard-anodized, aluminum polished, T60, 61, T6 aluminum, which is just as strong as steel but gives you the cooling benefits of aluminum. These ride exceptionally well. We have several upgrades to these, like 90-degree fittings, the reservoirs. These are made in the same aluminum material as our shocks. These are made out of the T60, 61, T6 aluminum. They're hard anodized, polished, so they're just as strong as steel, but they cool 30% faster than steel body competitors. We sell these in application-specific kits, but we also sell these as universal fitments for those of you who have universal applications and need a coilover. To wrap all of it up, all of our shocks are vehicle-specific valving. So if you have any questions or concerns, or if we can help you guys with anything, please don't hesitate to give us our call or to message us at any of our social media platforms.